Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I was driving my car and I noticed that when I put my gear stick to reverse, the camera, backup camera display does not work. So it's on reverse now and it's not coming up. It just shows camera is unavailable. Please contact dealership. So I looked this up and this usually happens when the camera is bad. So as a result, I'm going to end up replacing the backup camera on this vehicle. So let's go back to the trunk and see how we're going to replace the backup camera. So we're here inside the trunk area. The camera is located right here, and to replace this whole assembly has to come off. And to remove this whole assembly, you also need to remove this whole covering, the entire covering right here. So this is gonna be a little bit of work, but it's better than paying about $500 to get this replaced at the dealership. First of all, to remove this assembly, I don't know if this is clear enough. Let's see. So we have this. I'm going to remove this knob right here. This knob right here. There's one right here. There's a screw right here. Seems to be one right here as well. So I'm gonna pause this video and then get to work on removing this. We're also going to remove this right here. I also want to add that for us to remove this assembly that houses the camera, we're still going to end up removing these lights as well as this light. So let's get to work. So now I was able to successfully remove the panel, the inside panel, as you can see. And this is the covering right here. I had to remove this. This has this covering it, so it was here. So you have to pry this out. Then I used plier and screwdriver to pry out these plastic screws which was holding the frame. And this, I had to pry this out. This was here, so I had to pry it out as well to be able to remove that covering right there. And here we have the exposed inner frame. So this inner frame will enable me remove the screws that is holding this assembly. All right, so, and I'm gonna show you the screws real quick. So if you look inside here, you're gonna see this screw right here and this one right here. There is also a tiny white plastic. This I have to pry this out as well, this tiny white piece. And there is another one right here. I need to remove those. And there is also one inside right here, which I need to remove as well. And I want to remove that assembly. Also, there is another one right inside there. So this one right here needs to come out as well, because this is what's holding the lights, and this one as well needs to come out. So I'll put this video on pause again and get these screws out, and then we continue working on removing the camera. Hi, so when I'm able to remove the lights, the two side lights, I removed the lights so to give me the opportunity to actually see what's inside the housing of the camera. So as you can see, I need to pry out this while removing the housing. And for me to remove this light, there was a screw here, right here, and there was a screw right here. So I had to take that out for the two lights to be able to come out. As you can see. Alright, so it's time to try and remove this panel. So finally, I was able to completely remove the brackets. Alright, as you can see. So here's the camera, and underneath, here's the camera. So I had to remove this screw to be able to get to the camera. So I was able to finally remove the camera. There it is. So to pry it out, you push this down and then pull up the camera. So here's the camera. So I got a new one off of Amazon. This one right here. Hopefully it's going to work. So I'm going to be putting this, replacing this, and see if it works. So just push it. Push it in. And lock it in place. I'm gonna put this camera down and then lock it in place. So I'll put the camera back in place. So I'm gonna close it up with the bracket. And after this, we're going to test the camera and see if it works before we close the whole assembly. So now we're in the car. I want to test the camera to see if it's working before I cover the whole assembly. So the car is on park right now. So let's put it in reverse. And voila, the camera is working. So I'm going to put the whole assembly back and come back again to test it. So now I have everything in place. I'll now go ahead and try to test the camera. So we're now in the car. So we're going to test the camera to see if it's working. So the car is currently in park. So if I put it in reverse, as you can see, the camera is working. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to get more related videos. Thank you.